This FastCap tape measure with a yellow case means it's metric and standard, or metric and Imperial. But this one is an auto lock. So if we bring him out, it automatically locks off. If you want to bring your tape measure in, just use your thumb just to bring him in carefully. All of the FastCap tape measures have some features which work across the board. So they all have a writing pad. So it's fantastic. You take your measurement, you can physically write on there wherever it might want to be so you don't forget it. When you finish with that and you're happy, just wet up your finger or your thumb and you can soon wipe that off. What they also have is a pencil sharpener built in. So you're out on site and your pencil sharp or your pencil's getting blunt, easily sharpening back up. We also have a really good spring belt clip. If you don't want to use the belt clip, just unscrew it and take it off if you're just going to use it within your workshop normally. Otherwise, use your belt clip just to hold your pencil, perhaps while you're working. What they all have in common is 4 rivets, which is a lot of rivets to actually hold this very, very accurately. It holds the end tab, but it also allows the end tab to move in and out. So we have to use it pushed in for internal measurements and pushed out for external measurements. The movement on the black tab allows for the thickness of the fold down on the end of him. The black tab also has a little slot in it. The idea of the slot is if you're doing longer work, you can literally bang a nail in the center of one joist that you're working on. You can clip that onto that nail, pull your tape measure out a long, long way, and then you can mark out your centers for all your other joists. So the tape measures all come with a rugged case. The ones which have got Imperial measurements on them also on the back will say it's a 3-inch offset for the size of the body, which means if you were measuring into a corner, you could read the measurement and add the 3 inches so you get a proper measurement for your external size. For more detail of any of our FastCap tape measures, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Remember, we do ship worldwide, and look at us on our social media channels as well.